Howdy guys, it's Millie, and today I'm going to be going over the benefits of plants during quarantine. So most of the world is in quarantine right now, which is actually really crazy, and plants can actually be a huge benefit to you during this crazy time. And I'm going to tell you 4 specific reasons plants are going to help you out during your quarantine. Reason number 1 is that plants actually help your concentration and memory. So a lot of people have had to go from working in an office to working at home, or a lot of students have had to go from studying away at university to coming back home and continuing their college online. And it's a really big change for all these students and workers, and one way you can help make the change a little bit easier for you and go a little more smoothly is by getting a plant. Plants have a calming influence on people, which helps to create performance as well as more accurate performance. They also help to improve memory retention by up to 20%. So all my fellow students out there who are struggling with studying, plants can help you remember what you're studying by up to 20%. And since they also help your performance rate, not only will they help you study longer and better, but they're going to help you remember what you studied better. So definitely get yourself some plants. Benefit number 2 is that flowers actually generate happiness. So flowers actually produce a positive energy, which helps to create a more relaxing and secure environment, which is something that a lot of people have probably lost during their time in quarantine. Since it's been very stressful finding your new routines and not being able to go see your loved ones. So it'll actually help to bring some of that feeling back into your life. And flowers actually help to reduce the chance of someone developing stress-induced or related depression. So flowers help with many different aspects of your life and just overall improve people's moods. Reason number 3 that plants will benefit you during quarantine is that they actually help improve your relationships with others. Having a family garden is one example of how you can do this, because it'll create a common goal between you and your family, as well as provide a healthy way to spend time together and get you outdoors, which is actually proven to improve all aspects of your life. So it'll help you in your relationship with your family as y'all are outside together gardening, but it also just increases compassion for others. The more time you spend around plants and outside, the more compassion you're going to have for yourself and for others, and that compassion is going to help improve your relationships with other people. And the 4th and final reason that plants are going to help you during your quarantine is that they increase your overall mental health. Plants help reduce anxiety and depression and just stress in general. They also help create a better outlook on life, and it's actually proven that people who spend more time around plants and outside are more likely to have a positive outlook on life than those who spend more of their time away from plants and indoors. And they also increase your energy and vitality is the state of being strong. So that is just one more thing that will help you get through your quarantine. You'll have more energy to get through your day, you'll feel stronger in your day, and you'll just have an overall improved quality of life. But yeah, that's all I have for you. Those are the 4 different benefits of plants that I wanted to talk about in this video. But if you want to check out more into those 4 different benefits or about many others that plants will bring, check out the links in the description box below. But before you go, I'm going to show you my plants. So on my dresser, I have some aloe vera, some of my cacti, one of the plants I got in my Sociohorticulture class, which is what this video is for, another little aloe plant, we have another cactus, an orchid that I'm trying to save, and then this little bonsai tree. And then on the other side of my dresser, I have another succulent. He's just a little dino thing that I made. And then I also have this bamboo plant, which I got for $1 at HEB, and I put it in this old little container, put some rocks in it, and they actually root into the rocks. And then in my windowsill, I have all of my other babies. So this is my other plant that I got from my Sociohorticulture class. And then I just have a bunch of little sunflowers that I'm growing, and I'm gonna plant them outside soon. I have some other little flowers in here, some of my succulents. We got some more of my viney house plants. We have a couple hanging plants. Here's my air plant. Then we have another cactus, some water propagation system, and then we have some different flowers. And then my last plant is just this little flower plant over here. And that's all the plants that I have in my room, and they're really cute and I love them so much. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more plant related videos, let me know in the comments down below. And if you have plants or know any other benefits of plants, let us know in the comments as well. So that way we can continue spreading the benefits of plants and the knowledge of them as well. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!